Hi everyone and welcome to this English Basic class for beginners. Today we're going to talk about something that can be a little bit confusing at first. Possessive adjective versus possessive pronouns versus object pronouns. By the end of this video, you will know the difference between them and how to use each one correctly. So, let's get started. Let's start with possessive adjectives. These words show ownership and tell us who something belongs to. Possessive adjectives include words like mine, your, his, her, its, our, and their. For example, in the sentence, "This is my book," the word mine is a possessive adjective because it tells us that the book belongs to me. Possessive adjectives are always followed by a noun. So we say my book, your phone, or their house. Remember, possessive adjectives need a noun after them to make sense. Now, let's talk about possessive pronouns. These are a little different because they don't need a noun after them. They replace the noun instead. Possessive pronouns include words like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. For example, in the sentence, "The book is mine," we're saying that the book belongs to me. But we don't need to say my book. We just say mine. Other examples include yours, ours, and theirs. These words stand alone and show ownership without needing a noun after them. Lastly, let's talk about object pronouns. These pronouns are used when someone or something is receiving the action in a sentence. Object pronouns include words like me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. As an additional tip, object pronouns goes after the verb. For example, in the sentence, "She gave the book to me," the action given is directed at me. So we use the object pronoun here. Some other examples are him, her, us, and them. Remember, object pronouns are not about ownership. They simply refer to who or what receives the action in a sentence. Alright, let's recap. Possessive adjectives like my or your need a noun after them and show who something belongs to. Possessive pronouns like mine or yours replace the noun and show ownership, but they can stand alone. Object pronouns like me or them are used when someone or something receives the action in a sentence. Alright, so now let's do a quick practice. I show you a sentence and you try to guess which type of pronoun or adjective it is. Number 1. Please give it to me. Which one is this one? That's right, object pronoun. Number 2. Is this your pen? Which one is this one now? Yep, that's right, a possessive adjective. And let's see, number 3. This pen is mine. Are you able to guess it? There you go. That's a possessive pronoun. And that's it. Now you know the difference between possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, and object pronouns. Keep practicing and you will get the hang of it in no time. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this. See you next time. Oh, and don't forget to leave your comment. Bye!